In this video, I will show you how to specify the data category for a column in Power BI so that Power BI Desktop knows how it should treat the values in that column when used in a visual. Using get data, you bring in the data into Power BI, right? So when Power BI imports the data, it also gets other information like table name, column names, data types, etc. Under the hood, Power BI will also make certain assumptions about the data so that when you create a visual, it will try to give you a default experience. Say, for example, if one of the columns in your model has numeric values, then Power BI will assume that you might want to aggregate the data in some way so that when you drag the field onto the canvas, it will place it in the values area of the visualization pane. Similarly, for date columns, date time columns, it assumes that you might use that field as a time hierarchy. Let us try to look at two examples to understand better. We are in Power Query. These are the two columns, name and also image URL. And you can make all the changes here. You can do all the transformations, change the data type, etc. But you don't have an option to specify a category to this column. That is only available in Power BI Desktop. So we need to open up Power BI Desktop and let us try to go there. And we are in table view. These are the two columns which we have seen in Power Query. And if I click on say name column and it's not assigned to any category and the data types have been identified, same for the image URL column, the category is not assigned. Say, for example, if I go to report page, and if I drag these two columns onto the canvas in a table visual, in the image URL column, I see the text. I don't see the images. I need to fix it. So all I need to do is go and select the column and go to data category and assign that column to image URL. As soon as I assign image URL column to this image URL data category, I can see the images in the table visual. So this is perfect. This is what we wanted, right? So we have to specify a category in some cases. And let us try to look at another example where we will understand other things there. And for example, in this table, we have a country column and it is not categorized. If I drag that column onto the canvas, I can use these values in any of the visuals. But in case if I want Power BI to automatically bring in the map visual, it doesn't work unless and until I change the column, country column, assign it to country region data category. And once I select that, my column is having a category of country region. Now, if I drag that column onto the canvas, Power BI automatically brings up the map visual. So this is very cool, and always it's a good idea to specify a category to the fields. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.